Hello and welcome to our second mathematics lesson. My name is Professor Robert. Our today's lesson introduces us to sets and subsets. Have you ever wondered how related two groups of people or objects can be? Well, the study of sets and subsets will teach us how two or more groups of people or objects, referred here as sets, are related. Now, a set is a collection. A set is a collection of objects. And we normally represent a set as, symbolically as, A is equal to, for example, E, I. In other words, a set A is represented by, or a set A contains A, E, I objects, three of them. Now, it's important to recognize that we represent sets using curly braces. Now, graphically, subset A is just represented by a circle, and the objects or elements of that set are inserted in the circle. So graphically, that's how we represent a set. Let's look at another example of a set B. Set B can be represented as, say, with objects or elements A, E, I, or U. As you can recognize, these are the vowels of the alphabet. Vowels of the alphabet. Okay, next, let's look at subsets. Now, if every element in one set is also in another set, it is called a subset. Now, if we can look back at our first example, we had set A has got elements A, E, I, and set B has got elements A, E, I, or U. You can clearly see that set A, all elements of set A, are also elements in set B. So we say set A is a subset of set B. That's how we represent it. In other words, all elements in set A are also elements of set B. And graphically, this is represented as, we first look at the small set, and that's A, set A, which has got elements A, E, and I. And then above it, or around it, we have set B. And set B has got elements A, E, I, but we represent set B by writing the remaining elements outside of it. So that's how we represent set A intersection set B. Okay, thank you. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thank you, and see you soon in our next lesson. Bye for now.